Hi, my name is Mia, and today I'm going to show you our order and pay at the table option for Paradise POS. Your device should already come paired, but if you need to resync it, you can always press the sync button at the top right corner of the screen to pair it back to your iPad. When you're ready to take an order, you'll log in with your number, where your menu will populate. To place an order, you'll just tap on the items that you wish to order. You can also add a seat from this screen, add more items to that seat, and then press send. I'm going to select a table, and then your ticket will send and print at the appropriate printers. Once I'm ready to recall this ticket, I'll select the horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, press ticket recall, and find the ticket that I wish to work with. I can pay the ticket out from here, or I can swipe over, press split ticket. You'll be able to either split by seat, split evenly, or create your own custom split. Once you split the ticket, you can hit the pay button on the screen here and hit this pay button on the main screen. If you're participating in the cash discount program, you'll see two different totals at the top of your screen. Otherwise, you'll see one total, and then you'll be able to choose the appropriate tender amount to go ahead and cash that ticket out. I'll check this ticket out, where I'll be able to print the receipt right then and there at the table. And hand that to your customer. Now, if you need to happen to void that ticket, then you'll press the top lines at the top of the screen, go back to ticket recall, select the ticket that you want to void, and hit the void button. So today we've covered many of the basic options as far as your pay at the table device. If you have any issues that arise, go ahead and call into our 24/7 tech support at 877-777-5530.